fully professional and amazing looking e-commerce website for we have taken all the features and inspiration from world's top e-commerce websites like Amazon, AliExpress, Walmart, Flipkart, and so on. You can sell any type of products: physical products, digital products, products with different colors and sizes, affiliate products, you just name it. We'll cover all the advanced techniques like people can add products into the cart, then their shipping cost and tax rate will be automatically calculated based on their location. On checkout, people can pay using different payment methods like PayPal, credit cards, or even your local payment gateways. So people don't need to go to any third-party website, they can pay directly on your website. As we'll handle payments, so our website should be 100% secure. Also, I'll make a real purchase so you can see everything is working perfectly. We're not finished yet. Whenever anyone buys any product, you'll get instant notification on your phone. It will have more amazing features like wishlist feature, auto tracking feature, variation swatches, and not only that, we'll also design this beautiful online shop 100% responsive for tablet and mobile devices. Also, it's optimized best for SEO, so you'd get better ranking on Google search results. First, we'll add this professional header. On the left side, we'll place our website's or brand logo. Then here, we'll create these menus to navigate through our website. Then on the right side, we'll have these buttons like this search. With it, people can search anything they want on the website, like they have come to your website and want to look for a product, for example, by their name or categories. They can do it easily. Then we'll have this user button. Through this, people will log in or register on your website. Then they will be able to manage their account details like managing their orders, updating their delivery addresses, and every necessary thing for an e-commerce website. And of course, we'll have a cart button, which is the heart of an e-commerce website. This button opens a mini cart from the side, and when people add products into the cart, they can manage the products from here. Like if they want to check out the products, they can do it. And of course, you can open the full cart page by clicking on this View Cart button. Beautiful banner that will attract your users to explore the whole website. With simplicity and color combination, it instantly gives an aesthetic vibe. And right after that, we'll create the feature section showing our store's key features. And then we'll add the product section that shows some of our bestseller products, and of course people can add products to cart directly from here. Then we'll create a nice discount box with a countdown that'll make people visit our shop page. After that, we'll show some featured products from our store. After that, we'll show some of our training products from the shop with this cool layout. We'll add elegant call to action section here. After that, in this section, we'll show more products from our shop, and if people want, they can view all products by clicking on this button. We'll add testimonials, so we can show what other people think about us, adding more trust. Then we'll show some key features about our shop and service here. Then in this section, we'll nicely show some of our blog posts. From here, people can click on the button and read the full blog. After that, we'll add a call to action section with a discount offer. We'll also add client logos to add more trust. And finally, on this homepage, we'll create a nice footer. And in this footer, everything will be easily changeable, like you can change the text or any links from here, and also this nice copyright text. After that, I'll show you how to build a professional shop page like this, and people will get to see all the products we have on our website. And of course, they can add any products directly to the cart by clicking on this Add to Cart. Also, they can add any product to their wish list by clicking this heart button. Then on the sidebar, we'll add professional widgets like product search, so customer can search for any products in the shop. Price filter, so customer can filter products with price range. Then recently viewed products, so user can see products they have recently viewed. Then this category and tags filter, so people can filter products based on their tags and categories. Now, if you click on any product here, it'll take you to that product details page, and it will fully set up this product details page. Here you can see it has product name and description, product image with multiple gallery images, and it also has different variations of product like size and colors. Then the stock progress bar as well, so buyer can see the stock status. Then we'll have a product quantity selection and this add to cart button. After that, user will get to see the full description of the product, additional information, and product reviews. Finally, some related products will be suggested in this area, so we'll add all these informations and functionalities on our product details page. Then we can go to this cart page where we can see the cart in detail. From here we can remove any product from cart, edit the product quantity. Also, we can see the cost and prices on the left side. Then finally, when a customer clicks on the checkout from the cart, we'll have a checkout page ready for them to complete their purchase. In this field, we'll add contact information. Then in this area, they'll put their billing address. Then under this payment method, they can choose cash on delivery or they can enter their card information to pay. Then they can check their products and cost details like tax cost, discount, subtotal, total cost. And here if they have a coupon code, they can add the code in this field and the price will be discounted automatically. Then after double checking every information, customer can click on this place order button and their order will be placed and they can see a nice after purchase page. We'll create a blogs page for our website and we'll be able to post blogs here. People can see the list of all blogs here. And on the sidebar, we'll have a search option to search your favorite articles. It has recent posts to see the recent blogs. Also, it has a filter by categories, filter similar to our products page. Then we'll have the single blog page where people can read the full blog and people can leave comments or reply in the post. We'll create this contact page totally from scratch, step by step. Here we'll create contact form for users to contact you. Then this Google map so you can add your business or office location. Then we'll make other cool contact information like phone numbers, addresses, and emails.